In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the preferred game language in GOG quickly and easily. This is really useful if you want your games to install in a different language by default, whether you're setting up GOG for the first time or just want to switch to a language that's more comfortable for you. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, open the GOG app on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're inside the app, look over to the left-hand menu and click the cog icon. That cog icon is the settings area, so this is where you'll find the options for changing your app preferences. After clicking it, select Settings from the menu. Now you'll be taken to the Settings page. From here, look at the left side and make sure you are in the Installing Updating tab. This is very important because the preferred game language option is located in this section, and if you're in a different tab, you may not see it right away. Once you're in Installing Updating, look for the preferred game language drop-down box. Click on that drop-down and you'll see a list of available languages. Choose your preferred game installation language from the list. This is the language GOG will use by default when you install supported games, which makes it easier to keep everything set up the way you want from the start. After selecting your language, the change should be saved automatically, so there's usually no extra button you need to press. At this point, you can simply close the settings and continue using GOG normally. If you ever want to change it again later, just come back to the same settings area and choose a different language from the drop-down. And that's it. You've successfully changed the preferred game language in GOG. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.